The ocean never sleeps. Not here, not in this stretch of dark water where smugglers gamble with speed, silence, and desperation. Just after midnight, the Coast Guard Command Center gets a ping, a single heat signature where nothing should be moving. The radar didn't catch it, no beacon, no lights. But thermal sees ghosts, and tonight, something is out there. Unidentified vessel detected. Low profile, high temperature signature. Operators lean forward. A thin shape cuts across black water. A fast boat, riding low. Engines burning white hot on thermal. Not a fisherman, not innocent. A cartel fast runner, trying to slip through the night. They can outrun radar, but they can't outrun heat. Camera zooms. A thermal flare fills the screen. Movement. Crew scrambling, tossing heavy duffel bags into the ocean. Dumping cargo fast. No hesitation. They know they've been seen. What they don't know is that the U.S. Coast Guard is already airborne. Cut to helicopter cockpit. Rotors spinning. Pilots locked in. Aerial marksman loads precision rounds. Launch team, scramble. Engines roar. The bay shakes. Blades tear into the night. The hunt begins. Back to drone feed. Panic on the water. Lights off. Throttle full. Wake exploding behind the hull. They hug wave troughs, hoping the ocean hides them. But the drone stays locked on, their engines glowing like four suns in the dark. Target confirmed. Cartel fast boat, 4 outboards, dumping contraband. Chopper ETA 8 minutes. 8 minutes to decide futures. Freedom or cuffs. Sunrise on a beach, or steel bars in courtrooms. The fast boat swerves hard, desperation cutting through the dark. They think distance keeps them safe. It doesn't. Helicopter clears deck. Night vision engaged. Below, a white streak tearing across a black ocean. Visual acquired. Altitude drops instantly. Spray hits the windshield. The sea turns into teeth and shadows. Door gunner leans out, harness tight, breath steady. They're not here to destroy. They're here to end the chase. Clean, precise, fast. Spotlight on. A white beam slices through the night, and the smugglers freeze. Silence. Shock. Then chaos. Engines scream. They zigzag. Dump the last bag. Darkness won't save them now. Hail vessel. Command you to stop. No response. Just panic. Warning shots authorized. Tracer rounds skip across waves. Crack, hiss, spark. Most people stop when bullets kiss the ocean. These men do not. Bad decision. Engine disable authorized. The marksman inhales once, calm, steady. He isn't aiming at people. He's aiming at metal, fuel, horsepower. Crack, burt. A burst, a flash. One engine dies. The boat stumbles. Crew lurches forward, praying momentum saves them. It doesn't. The helicopter shadows them, a silent predator. Cutter wake appears on the horizon, closing fast. Second burst. Another engine sputters, coughing flame. The hull slams a wave, crew nearly thrown overboard. Slow your vessel. Hands visible. Ignored. Salt. Fuel. Fear. Final burst. Precise. Cold. Engine block fractures. Prop stops spinning. The boat jerks sideways, momentum bleeding out. The chase ends without glory, just surrender. Blue lights cut across the sea. A boarding team launches. RHIB slicing water like a blade. Shouts, hands up, cuffs on. Evidence floats behind them, bright shapes bobbing in black water. The drone stays overhead, recording everything. Mission secure. Millions in narcotics, gone. Smugglers, detained. Ocean, quiet again. In daylight, fast boats look fast. At night, they look invisible. But on thermal, they burn like comets. They tried speed. They tried darkness. They tried panic. They dumped evidence. None of it worked. Because out here, in the lonely dark edge of the Pacific drug corridor, the United States doesn't chase. It hunts. You don't outrun a drone. You don't outrun a helicopter. You don't outrun discipline, training, precision. Tonight, the cartel loses. The ocean wins. Mission complete. And as they sit in custody, one thought repeats. We thought darkness would save us. But darkness isn't cover. not when the Coast Guard is watching. The ocean never rests. Neither do those who guard it.